Hey, my friends, it's Chris. Happy Friday. I hope you're having a beautiful day. So I just want to dive in because I have one secret ninja tip that I want to share with you today. So for those of you that are coaches or holistic practitioners and you are trying to bring more clients into your ecosystem, this simple ninja tip is going to help you bring in more clients and also allow you to feel really calm, really relaxed, and not stressed out about having to close the deal. So this is something that I actually teach inside of Activate Abundance Academy. This is an amazing program. Seriously, I think it is the most comprehensive program out on the market that supports coaches and holistic practitioners to grow and build their business to 6 figures and beyond. But let's get into this tip. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to ask yourself, what energy are you in when you are trying to fill a spot or bring in a certain number of clients or hit a certain goal? Typically, the energy that most of you are in is getting energy. And that getting energy can actually put you in lack and scarcity instead of being in a more abundant energy, which is actually service. So when you lead with your heart and you lead with, how could I make a difference with somebody today? How could I hop on a call with them and share something? How could I reach out to them and give them a free resource? How could I actually serve them, right? Are you asking yourself, how can I serve today? Or are you asking yourself, how can I get a client today? Very, very different, right? Getting energy means you don't have what it is that you need. Getting energy feels very stressful. It feels like you've got to do something specific to get a client. It feels like you've got to overcome objections. You've got to overpower something. And that is actually not a good energy to be in. So I want you to try it. Next week, when you wake up, I want you to ask yourself, how could I serve today? You know, who is one person that I could serve today? And I'm going to give you a bonus tip. And that is, for those of you that are doing nurture events, for those of you that are doing launches or workshops or challenges, typically when we are doing a workshop or a challenge, we think, gosh, I need to fill this number of spots, right? I want 6 people to join my program, or I want 6 people, to bring on as one-on-one clients. I want to invite you, instead of just putting the number on the number of people, to open it up and say, you know what, I would really love to create this much money. I would really love to have a 10K month. I would really, be so excited to receive $10,000. And then open up for all of the ways that it could possibly come to you, right? A lot of times we think it can only come through the front door with those 10 people that have to join up for the group program or have to join up for the challenge or have to join up for fill in the blank, right? Instead, when we open up to all the other ways and all the other opportunities that it can come to us, it actually makes such a difference, because then we're like opening up all the windows, open up the back door, the front door, everywhere. And it allows us to see, are there even other ways that we could serve somebody, even if it's not inside of this one program? All right, my friends, that is my tip for today. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy your Labor Day. And if you would like a free 15-minute holistic business assessment, comment biz below, B-I-Z, and I will reach out to you and we can just hop on a quick 15-minute chat. I'll take a look at what's going on in your business right now. How are you marketing? What do your sales look like? What is the system and the process that you're using? And I will make sure that you walk away with a resource that's going to help you just take the next step. All right, my friends, have a great day. Bye.